Hi traders, welcome to the Daily European Open for this Wednesday, the 6th of the 9th, 2017, with myself, Senior Account Manager Adam House. Just a short general advice warning before we begin. The following education session is not to be treated as personal advice. Forex trading involves trading at risk capital. Forex CT provides general advice only that does not take into account your personal needs or circumstances. Okay, so we'll just have a look at the market events coming up for today. We've already had the AED gross domestic product year-on-year second quarter come through with a 1.8% actual result against 1.9% forecast. The result on the Aussie was a little bit lackluster, so we saw a little bit of volatility, but not much, seeing as the actual figure was sort of close to the forecasted figure. Coming up again midnight Thursday, we have the Canadian Bank of Canada interest rate decision, tipped to leave rates on hold at 0.75%. We've got a whole host of European data coming out at 21:45 tomorrow. The market will turn its attention again to inflation data from the UK at 6:30 on Friday. And again, the Canadian dollar comes into the spotlight with the change in employment and unemployment rate for the Canadian dollar at 22.30 on Friday. We've got the consumer price index 11:30 on Saturday morning, just before the market closure. Okay, so we'll just go through the charts today. Overnight, we had gold maintaining its momentum in the market. There was a little bit of bearish activity, probably around the 5 o'clock mark. A little bit of selling pressure coming in, but gold ultimately has held its ground and is currently trading around the 13.38 mark. Just broken resistance here on the daily time frame as well. So obviously, there's a lot of geopolitical tension still coming into the fray at the moment. Depending on what you read, another missile test may be imminent by the end of the week. Could be Chinese whispers as well. You never know, but sometimes whispers are all that's needed to move the market. So gold has held its safe haven appeal quite well over the past 24 hours and currently has further targets of 1350 and 1357 preferred on the daily technicals. If we have a look at the USD JPY, obviously that's operating inversely to the gold price. The US is sort of getting, or has been punished overnight, and further downward pressure is expected on that particular symbol. The targets for the USD JPY at this current time are 108.30 and 107.95 in extension. Just going ahead onto the other majors at the moment, we have the AUD USD. Got a caution preferred on this particular pair, but the Aussie has further long positions preferred with a good level of support here at the, actually we're looking at the Euro Canadian dollar. Sorry, one moment. There we go, that's correct. Okay, so we're currently trading at around about 79.87. There's further targets of 80.30 and 80.60 preferred as long positions. Similarly with the euro, upside prevails with further targets of 119.40 and 119.60 in extension. Further bullish preference preferred on the pound with 1.3050 and 1.3085 in extension on the pound US dollar. We've covered the US and gold. We have the pound yen as well. It's a key resistance at 141.90, suggesting that further short positions are preferred to 141.35 and 141.10 in extension. And obviously some worrying data overnight on Wall Street led to a broad sell-off on the SP ASX 200. And again, today we have further short positions preferred at 5630 and 5618 in extension. So bear in mind, there's a lot happening on the market at the moment. If you need any clarification on those points or anything else on your daily technicals or on the market in general, then please get in contact with myself or your account manager who looks after you. We also have the morning report trade of the day as well, which came out this morning. Euro USD, the bias remains bullish. So yet again, that was the preferred chart of the day today and the trade of the day. We have further, as discussed, further long positions preferred with targets of 119.40 and 119.60 in extension. Thanks very much for your attendance again. Really appreciate it. And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow at the next recording of the Daily European Open. Thank you very much. Cheers.